Welcome or welcome back. My name is Zaya for Money Niger, and I'm here to show you how you can mine free Bitcoin from your mobile phone. I know you've heard of it uh, from different sources, and a lot of them are scams. But this one has been paying since 2021, and I've been around since 2019, right, guys? So I'm going to show you exactly how you can go about the application, how you can download it. The best ways to play games and all of that to earn profitable income from this stream, right? It's free to join. You don't need to pay any dime. You just be making money every single day, right? We're mining in satoshi Bitcoin. Right, so we're just gonna dive into my screen in the next minute or so. But first of all, if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe. Do not forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notifications, because we're going to be dropping almost daily videos on how to make money here in Nigeria, especially in this kind of economy, right, guys? So yeah, comment down below what you like best at the end of this video, and tell me what you think. And also, the first 200 people to actually message me on WhatsApp, right? If you, the first 200 people to actually message me on WhatsApp, my number is in the description box below and the comment section. The first 200 they are going to be earning 100 naira worth of airtime, right? So let's get straight into the video. Let me just show you exactly what this app is and how to make money from this application, how to mine Bitcoin on your mobile device. Let's go. So welcome to my screen, guys. As you can see, if you click on the link I'm going to be leaving on the description box below and the comment section, the first comment, it will take you here, right, to this application, Ember Fund, right? Ember and crypto, right? So all you have to do is just install it. I've already done that. That's why it's showing open, and then you click on open, right? Very simple, and it will open up. Right, as we wait for it to open up, please, if you have not yet subscribed or liked the video, please do so, because I will be releasing videos like this coming, right? Better videos, right? So now you can see this big green N start earning Bitcoin button here. We're just going to click on that. It's going to bring out this place that we have to fill out our username, password, email, and other stuff, right? So all right, so you're just going to prove that you are not a robot by clicking on this I am not a robot. Let's continue. It says you should mark the crosswalks. Let's keep that. It says motorcycles. Let's just go for the motorcycle, wherever the motorcycle shows up, and then create pin, right? So all right, so we are inside the application now. So we're just going to go over to this place now. It says allow Ember to send you notifications. I'm just going to say don't allow. It's your choice actually. Then just click on this start earning Bitcoin, this big green button over here, and that's how you start, right? So let me just dismiss this, and that is basically how you start. It's loading up. While it loads, let's go over to games, predictions, all those other stuffs, so we can see how we can actually earn here. You can see that we can earn up to 750,000 satoshis just playing games, right? And I'm going to show you that how to play games in a minute, don't worry. So predictions as well, you can come here and predict Conor McGregor or Michael Chandler, who is going to win, right? And you can see in the next 344 hours, you can do the calculation, 344 divided by 24 to give you how many days that fight is coming up. And you can see your wallet here as well. This is my wallet and all of that. And this is tournaments, right? Tournaments is where you can actually still make big money, or at least good small thing here as well. It's always the free one I go for. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Do not worry, don't worry. I want to just show you how this mining actually works. So as you can see here, it says earn easy passive income. Check out free tournaments on the play tab. Simply click a few coins or a sports team you think will outperform, right? It's just normal stuff like that you get to see. I'm going to show you how to do this stuff. Don't worry, I'm going to show you. All right, guys, so as you can see, we are now mining. As you can see over here, we have about 0.28230 and continuously like that. That's the amount of satoshi we have right now. And it's really cool because you don't even have to refer people to start making some money here, right? But like if you're like me that can be impatient sometimes when it comes to finances, you can also come over to tournaments. You can play free tournaments, those ones that says free for all, right? Like this three here now. No, not this. Let me just put that again. These two here are free, active, passive, right? And as you can see, the time is almost up for these two, for the passive and active. You can do that tournaments. You can also play games here. I'm just going to show you exactly how you can go about doing these tournaments and actually earning for yourself even further, right? So if I go over to tournaments, if I go to free for all, right, it's free for me to enter. So I'm just going to click on enter tournaments, right? Now what this basically is that you predict in the next 56 minutes, like I showed you. Let me just show you again. Let me go back. Okay, now in the next 56 minutes, what cryptos do you think will rise, right? That's basically what this thing is, right? So if I click here, I can make lucky guesses, or I can make intelligent guesses based on my research or whatever. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to show you exactly how it's done, just by guessing, right? So if I click on enter tournaments, you can see it's often a good rule of thumb to go for the green ones, right? But as we know from crypto, we know that things are not always the way it is, and markets can go up and go down at any time. You can choose as many as possible, but 3 at least, as you can see here. At least three coins you have to choose to build your portfolio, right? So I'm just going to click on Ethereum and go to Ripple, because Ripple since yesterday it has been going up. So I believe in the next 1 hour approximately to still be in a good spot, right? So, and I'm going to go to Uniswap, right? Uniswap, Ripple, and then Ethereum, right? So these three now, I am basically saying that this three is going to go up, and once it goes up, I'm going to be one of the gainers from this. And do not worry if it actually goes down, because this will not pay to enter. So if it goes down, you're not earning anything, they're not deducting anything from you. But if it does go up, you're going to earn something, even if it's 10 sats, 20 sats, up to, as you can even see from the beginning, up to 100,000 satoshis is here to be won, right? So you may be asking yourself, like, why am I not like choosing more than 3, right? The thing is, if you choose more than 3 coins now and you're betting on them, if one misbehaves now and goes down, it will reduce your position, right? Which we can significantly also, it can reduce your earnings. So if you can choose 2 or 3 that you're very sure can go up, instead of taking the risk with others, you can choose 2 or 3 that you're very sure will go up. Then I would advise you actually go for that, right? Because the fewer you choose that you're sure of and that actually goes up, the more money you are likely to make, right? So I'm just going to click on next. As it builds.
Who's Betty B23?
So we're just watching an ad now.
Did you just attack my village in Coinmaster?
As you can see, the road will be coming in about 17 seconds. Alright, so that's just the price you have to pay, because it's free to enter. So the only thing you have to do is just watch an ad at the end. And as you can see, I have set up this particular bet, this portfolio, right? As you can even see over here, 55,000 satoshis are in the prize pool to be won and shared equally amongst participants, right? So now that is one way of making money on this application. I'm going to show you later if I actually won or I lost, and I'm going to show you how much I won if I actually won. So you can also come to games, right? There's this particular game I actually love to play on this particular app, right? That normally I would play it for free normally, but it's really cool that they're paying me in satoshi per minute. They're paying me about 3 satoshis per minute to play this game, right? So if I come over to play game, right? Let me show you something first. Let me just go back. You can see there's micro tasks here, there's mini games, mini games, and then there's micro tasks. Micro tasks: surveys, play games, overwall, micro tasks, and then overwall again. A lot of them powered by AdGem, Tapjoy, iEd Studios, and the rest, BitLabs and the rest. Now, basically, what the difference between micro task and mini game now. Micro tasks can take you to a third-party platform, right? The Ember fund we direct you to a third-party website or application where you perform tasks, and they pay you for that, but right per minute of you performing tasks. But mini game is actually like, you also have to download the apps, but you don't have to go to any third-party like website or all of that. You have to just give them permission to actually see your progress every minute, and they'll be paying you about 3 satoshis per minute. It actually depends on the game. Let me just show you the game I love to play that pays about 3 satoshis per minute. This period now, like this, is the best time to actually get in, because right now they are doing something called playtime, right? Normally when I started, there was no playtime. I started this week actually, but when I started, there was no playtime, so I was not earning as much as right now, right? So if I click on accept, activate now basically, okay, let me just go back. Let me show you guys something. Okay, over here now you can like I said earlier, you activate time tracking, so that your progress can be tracked by Ember fund, and they can pay you per minute of playing the game, right? Don't worry, it's safe, it's a regulated application and all of that. If you come over to Ember fund right here, we're just gonna click on the check marks, just gonna click on the toggle button, and then we go back, right? Just go back, and yeah, as you can see, we are in the game section now. Let's go, let's play. There's one particular game I love to play, as I've told you guys. As you can see here, this is how much you would be earning earlier this week or last week. You'd have been earning like 2 satoshis per minute, but now you're earning 3, and totally you'd have been earning about 139 satoshis after the end of everything. But now you're earning over 208 satoshis at the end of everything, right? So I'm just going to show you guys where I love to go. You can play any of these games actually. You can just download one of them and just start playing them and start earning for yourselves, right? So let me go. It's loading, actually it's loading. The images are not loaded. Let me just fix that. Let me try to fix that. All right, so now we have a bit of a better connection, because we can now see the images and all of that. You can see, you can normally, some of you guys even have some of these apps for free like that on your phone. Like it's not making you any money, right? You're doing it for free because you even love it. So if I come here, I'm just going to go for this connect dots. The particular app I was talking about that I love to play is not here. It's not available here today for some reason. But I think it's this color water sort puzzle game. Yeah. Let's go play now. It will redirect us to the Google Play Store or the App Store, depending on the operating system you're using. I'm using Android, so it's going to redirect me to Google Play Store. I'm just going to download the application. It's about 112 megabytes. Don't worry guys, it's a really fun game. You're going to see how we go about it, and it's actually downloading now, right? It's downloading right now. So I'm going to show you exactly everything you need to know about this Ember fund, ways to get your money, how to actually withdraw, all of that. I've not placed a withdrawal because I entered last week, but I have friends and colleagues and several people that have been withdrawing. But because of my technical issues and all of that, I was not able to get in early, right? They have been paying since 2019 that they've launched. I believe it's since 2020 they started paying in crypto, but they launched since 2019. So it's a really legit app, and they have good backings, right? You can do your research before joining the app. As always, use the link in my description box or the comment section to support my channel, to support me, to help me help my people, and it will be greatly appreciated, right? So it's downloading now, 75%. All right, so the game is installing. Let's go. All right, guys, so the game has been installed now, right? So I'm just gonna click on play. It's loading up. Tap nation, play, whatever. Don't allow. So this is the way the application is. I'm going to show you how to play the game. Okay. Basically, all we do is to fill up the bottles, right? Sort them by color. Let me show you. So just things like this is how it's so easy. You click on it to get your points. So we can still go for one more before I go back to the app to show you.
Challenge your IQ
Okay.
with Color Water Sort Puzzle. Stimulate your brain with this addictive game, sorting colored liquids into matching tubes. Customize your experience and enhance your IQ in the most entertaining way.
So this is just an ad, one of the ads. I'm just gonna skip this. So as you can see, we have already earned 8 satoshis. It was just not showing right on the game. It was supposed to show, but I believe it's network issues. We've already gotten 8 satoshis from out of. Let me even circle it. We have gotten 8 out of the 262 that can be gotten from playing this game, right? For the next 158 hours. If you divide blah by 24, it will give you how many days that is. About 4 or 5 days. So let's just go back. Let's see if it actually incremented on our. As you can see here, it has incremented. We are now at 8 satoshis just by playing a simple freaking game. A simple game. By playing it, we already have 8 satoshis down. So that is another way of making money over here on this application. You can still make money from predictions here. So let me just quickly show you how to actually withdraw once you have the minimum withdrawals, right? Let me show you. If you click on this SAT rewards over here, you click on it. You're going to click on this arrow here. See the proof self that you see a minute ago from Ajo Games. End 3 sats from Ajo Gates a minute ago again. This is the one sat you earn from using my link in the description box below and the comments. So if I click on this arrow here, you can see I need a minimum of 8,000 satoshis, right? And I also need to, I've done the second one. The second one is done. Then the third one is participate in 5 tournaments or 5 tasks this month. 2 more to go. Remember it was 3 I did that time. I chose 3 predictions and all of that. That is the 3 I've done, 2 more to go, right? So that is basically all you need to know about getting started with Ember Fund. If you have any questions, you can leave them down below in the comment sections of this video, and also you can message me on WhatsApp here. My link for that also is going to be on the description box below. So yeah, you can message me on WhatsApp about Ember Funds, and I'll be sure to get back to you and direct you on what to do better, right? So thank you guys for watching so much. Share the video, like the video, comment if you appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one, hopefully tomorrow.